everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kit plans for January. We are already to that point. So there are 5 weeks that are predominantly in January, so I'm going to talk about 5 kits today. The first of them is the 29th of January. I'm pulling up my calendar so I know what the dates are. The 29th of January through, or the 29th of December through the 4th of January, and so that's New Year's. So I had this full box cover from Scribble Prints Co. This is in gold foiling, and it has like champagne party kinds of covers. I don't do a lot of partying, so I thought this would be perfect for New Year's. And so I pulled this kit from Planner Problem called Cute Winter, and I think it'll go really well with these as covers to those boxes. I think it'll be super cute to be able to stick them in together. I don't know exactly how I'm going to overlay them, but I think it's going to turn out, and I'm excited to use this kit. It's definitely very wintry, but a little bit unusual colors, and I like the gold to go with the gold foiling, and I'll probably bring in some additional gold foil for the bottom as well, so I'm excited to kind of see how that turns out. The second week is January 5th through the 11th. For this week, I'm going to use a kit for the second time. This is from B&R Paper Crafts. It's a kit called Royal. I used it in October of this year as well, but this is an ultimate kit on matte vinyl, so I do have a good amount left. So I have some full boxes, more full boxes, and some icons, boxes, glittery boxes, functional things, 2 more full boxes, and a set of glitter headers, a couple of tiny boxes down here, and then some more functional stuff here. I feel like the colors just really lend themselves super well to winter, so I'm excited to be using them for that. The third week, I think this is the order they're gonna end up in. The third week is January 12th through the 18th, and I have another leftovers from B&R Paper Crafts. This week, it's a kit called Bliss Garden, and again, I have a couple of full boxes here, glitter headers and little things. These are washi strips, some functional stuff, a few more full boxes, full box checklists, a half box, and some little things, and some more boxes. So this one will be a little bit funkier to try to put together, but I am excited to see how everything turns out, and I think it's still gonna be a really cute spread. I'll leave it out of the thing so we can actually see it. The fourth week is January 19th through the 25th. For this week, I'm using this kit. I think it's from My Cozy Crafts. I'm not sure. It's gonna be linked down below. I thought it was on here, but it's actually not. I actually cut this with my Cricut, so that was exciting. But this kit is called Winter Candles, and it is definitely cozy vibes, so I'm very excited to be using it for the week. These are gonna be super cute to be able to put along the bottom and then add in some additional washi with lots of cozy wintry vibes, so excited for that. And then the last week is January 26th through February 1st. So usually in February, I use all pink and red kits because it's Valentine's Day and I feel like that's fun. So I thought this full box sheet from B&R Paper Crafts called Classic Dance, that's all ballet themed, with the few pink boxes would be a perfect transition. I think this is very much winter vibes with all the like black and white kind of situation, but it'll be exciting to be able to use that bits of pink. To go with it, I pulled some leftovers from B&R Paper Crafts from a kit called Neutral, which has, I think, colors that go very well with these colors. This color even reads a little pinkish once you put it up against like the ballet slippers, for example. So I have these boxes, non-glittery boxes, some icons, a few functional things, and a few more functional things here. So I'm definitely gonna have to supplement, but I should have a good amount of stuff that I can make work overall. So I'm kind of excited to see how January goes, see how I end up using these kits. It's definitely going to be a mixture of some that are like very functional like I'm used to, and some that I'm gonna experiment with some new layouts and things like that. But I'm really excited to see how it works. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what you have planned for kits in January, or kits I should definitely be checking out. And then also, if you're not feeling chatty, leave me some sort of champagne emoji down below just to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads. I tag the shop, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.